My God.
Okay, so we're here in Stockholm. We're gonna go descending on this hill. I'm not gonna go from the very top, at least not today, but I'm gonna go halfway up to about the second hole, and then I'm gonna send it full speed, so pray I don't die. So we're up here. We're gonna start about halfway. Let's go.
My God.
I was headed straight towards you. I didn't want to kill you. Bail.
Jumped off.
Oh,
That's
so
where you pull it. Like you pull it like front to the side. Here.
That was so fun. Okay, we're going together. Okay, so we're just waiting for an opportune moment where there's no one coming from that side or on this side, and we're gonna send it. We're gonna go together.
Yeah, just not on that side now.
Okay, let's go. Hop on, quick. Oh no, not that. Oh man. Oh, you okay?
Yeah.
I have snow all over my face.
I have snow in my shoes.
Oh, that was my bad.
I don't think we sat right.
No. We were too hasty.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're both soaked, but I want more. So we're going up to the third hole. Any last words?
Mom, I love you. I'm sorry.
And maybe I'll send it from the top, we'll see. Look at all these kids that are so good.
Yeah.
People are flying through here. Okay. Ready? Lay back. Oh, covered in snow.
You see now why I wanted you to sit in front of me?
Okay, so we just finished up sledding. They eventually kicked us out because apparently not supposed to sled there. Whatever, we had our fun anyway. So now we're gonna get someplace warm because we're all soaking wet and cold. But we had fun, so that's all that matters.